Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If you are new, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. For the rest of us, thank you for coming back. Now, if you are currently not a subscriber to this channel, by all means, hit the subscribe button below and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you. There is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in the general vicinity of the subscribe button, why don't you go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Well, today it is unboxing time for BoxyCharm. It's a little late in the month, so I do want to share February spoilers with you, as well as March. It's BoxyLuxe time. So I'm going to share some BoxyLuxe information and spoilers with you as well. Now, I do encourage you to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know what you got in your box. And let me know what you're looking forward to in February's box and BoxyLuxe for March. Well, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is $21 per month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, okay? And trust me, 9 times out of 10, you'll love every bit that's in there. Been fantastic boxes. And so, okay, I'm going to stop talking. We're going to unbox, all right? So we're going to go ahead and open this box up. The first box of 2019. So we open it, and of course, it's got BoxyCharm information in the top, okay? And we have our description card, which says this month is called Boxy and Chill. It's a liquid lipstick, and this is by the company Ofra. Okay, and I must admit I do like the new packaging of the Ofra products. And it says this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $20, and the color that I have is Miami Fever. So let's just go ahead and take a swatch. Oh, I know I'm gonna love this one. I am going to love this color. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm almost tempted to take off the lipstick that I have and put this on. That's beautiful. Okay, product number 1, we're moving right along. And product number 2 is the Briogeo Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Okay, and this is a 2 fluid ounce size, all right? And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $12. Now let me just say, we'll start with this one because the liquid lipstick, everybody knows it's a liquid lipstick, although it is rather smooth and very pigmented. Do definitely love that. However, with the Briogeo, this says effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. Okay. Now, this is not the first Briogeo product that I've gotten in BoxyCharm, and I must admit I have loved them in the past, so I'm looking forward to using that. Now, the next product, oh, I'm always down for a brow brush. Definitely. And this one is the $1 Billion Brows. Okay. And it does come with the spoolie on the end. And this is quite a large size. I like the fact that it is retractable. Okay, and this is actually a universal brow pencil. Now, you may ask, what does that mean? Well, when it's a universal brow pencil, the lighter your hair, the softer you use your pressure. Okay, for those like me who have darker brows, I would have to give it a little bit more pressure for this to come out to match my brows. So when you see universal, that's usually what that means. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this pencil is $18. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling. Okay, the next product that we have is a palette from the company Tarte, and this is Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Now I have to tell you, I'm having a little bit of a moment here because the very first BoxyCharm that I got, I received a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I'll show it to you at the end of this. Oh, these colors are beautiful. There is a very large mirror included. I'm not going to blind you with it, of course. And here are the shades. Okay. Hopefully the light isn't washing it out. There we go. Not washing it out too much. So we can go ahead and swatch a couple. Okay, and here are our swatches. Boy, I'm really feeling this darker one right here. There were 3 variations this month, and the one that I received, of course, looks like this. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $36. Not bad, not bad at all. Then I have Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. There were 2 enclosed this month. Okay, and it says for normal to dry skin, and of course it gives you instructions on how to use the mask. This nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Okay, and each of these masks go for $12. Now, I do have one more product inside of my box, and the reason I have this product inside my box is because I did have someone who became a part of the BoxyCharm family via my link below. So I did receive a bonus product in my box this month, and that product is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer Base. I'm so glad I got this because I just literally finished off the last 2 that I had. So that was good timing, let me tell you. Good timing. Okay, so I will list below the manufacturer suggested retail price, the total of everything that we received in this month's BoxyCharm. Okay, I love this box yet again this month, and here are the items that were received. Okay, now, as I previously stated, the very first palette that I received in BoxyCharm was a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. See? And trust me, I have used it quite a bit So my apologies, it's not looking the very cleanest, but that's because it's loved. So just wanted to kind of share that with you. Now, as stated, you will see the total below of the contents of this box. And let's talk about February, with February right around the corner. As a matter of fact, it's about not even 15 days away. The February BoxyCharm, I have 2 spoilers for that already, and I'm going to tell you about them, but I will insert a picture of them here. We will be receiving the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm sure everybody's familiar with that, if for no other reason than the name. It may not be my absolute favorite, but there's some people who swear by that mascara. They say one is sold every 8 seconds. Really? I'm not sure if that's the exact numbers or not, but I will check it out and see. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for that mascara is $24. Now, $24 has already exceeded the price that we pay for our BoxyCharm each month. So we already know next month's box is so worth it. So that is $24 for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Then we have Touchin' Soulless No Problem Primer. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, that's a Korean brand. Now, when Joe talked about that, he kind of had it written in the background in Korean, and he tried to stump us and get us to figure out who could read Korean and find out exactly what it was. Well, I knew it was Korean, I just did not know what it said. So that will also be in our box next month, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $18. So we are already at $42, and that's just for 2 items in February. So those are the 2 spoilers that we have so far. Now, the next thing is BoxyLuxe, and it's almost BoxyLuxe time, y'all. The last one was pretty magnificent. Okay, and with the BoxyLuxe, that one is $49.99 plus tax. Okay, and just a little sidebar, the reason it's called Luxe, BoxyLuxe, is because the L stands for luxury brands. The U is because you are in charge. The X, this box is 4 times the size of our regular BoxyCharm box, okay? And the E is, it's exclusive to charmers. That means you have to be a charmer, an active charmer, to participate and get the BoxyLuxe. Now, the items that will be included in March's BoxyLuxe that we know about already, and these are confirmed spoilers that I'm giving you. These are not maybes, possibilities. These are confirmed spoilers. Well, the first one is Morphe brush palettes. Now, this one is a variation product. It could be 15D, which is Day Slayer, 15H, which is Happy Hour, or 15N, which is Night Master. So I'll put them up so that you can see the difference in the colors. Those will be a part of March's BoxyLuxe. Let me double check the price of those palettes, and I'll post that as well. Okay, then the next item I'm really excited about. we've been getting bomb skincare in each of our BoxyLuxe boxes, and they did not disappoint. For the month of March, we will be getting the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, and we are not getting the little sample jar, we are getting the large jar. The manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $48. Guess what? You're $1 shy of the cost of the box, and that's for one product. Now, the spoiler information that was given about BoxyLuxe is BoxyLuxe's value for March is over $300. That's not bad. That is not bad for $49.99. Not bad at all. So I am glad to share this information with you. My apologies for the length of the video, but I gave you a little bit extra, and you don't have to come back to check. Well, you'll come back and check if we have some additional spoilers, because I'll post those for you as well. So, as always, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.